what's up guys, welcome back to Technical Pro channel, and today we have a very special video for you guys. Today we're gonna see how to install Android 10 based ROMs on your Redmi Note 8 or any other Xiaomi device. So let's get started.
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies.
So today we're gonna install Havoc OS in our phone. So first you need a custom recovery. So now you need to boot into that custom recovery. So I have a quick toggle over here to boot into the custom recovery. If you don't have a quick toggle, then you need switch off your phone and press volume up and power at the same time, and you will boot into your recovery. So now I'm booting into my recovery. So the recovery of choice is Orangebox recovery. So it's a stable build for my Redmi Note 8. If you have any password in the home screen, then you need to draw the pattern over here. So I will done that. Now it's decrypting the data from the phone, so let it give it a minute. So on a side note, before doing this, your battery must be more than 50%, so your phone doesn't die out in this process, so it's recommended. Now we need to go into wipe, click on Dalvik, cache, system, vendor, data. If you want internal storage to be clear, then you can click. I have backed up all the important files in the micro SD card, so I'll be clearing the internal storage too. So now we need to click on swipe to wipe and just wait till the wipe gets completed. So the wipe process just got completed. Now I'll go back. Now we need to locate the file where you have place the files of your ROM, and if your file doesn't contain GApps, then you need to download GApps from the GApps website. So today we are going to install Havoc OS. So Havoc OS does not contain GApps in it. So and you will need to flash the GApps after this. So I'll flash Havoc first. So it's gonna take time. So let us give some time till it finishes. Be patient in this process.
Can't explain it in a way of words. We both know that you'll understand.
So the installation of the ROM just got completed. So now I need to install the GApp. So let me go back from here. Locate my GApps. So I'm using Nano over here. So it's recommended to use Nano or Pico. So I'll be using Nano. So it is also gonna take some time. Be patient in this process too. GApps is also completed. Now if there is optional choice. Now if you want root in your phone, then you can install Magisk. Well, I don't want root now, so I'll be just formatting the data. So I'll go into manage partitions, click on data, click on tick mark. Now click on format data and type YES and click on the tick mark. So it's formatting data now, so let us wait. So the formatting process has been completed. Now I'll just reboot the phone. So the first boot might take a while, so you need to be patient in this process also. So as you guys can see, the ROM just got installed. Now I'll set up the device and come back. So the setup just got completed, guys, as you guys can see. So let me just go into settings and show you that I've successfully installed Havoc OS 3.6 on my phone. So as you guys can see, Havoc OS 3.6 running on Android 10. So that's how you install Android 10 based ROM on any device. So you can use this guide to install any ROM on any device. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. So like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos guys. Till then, peace out.